it's pretty difficult, actually almost impossible, to move huge data, with your own code, custom code, as efficient as SSIS. We're talking about terabytes of data, even more. SSIS was built for these kinds of things. And also for scheduling, for example, because some people are doing this in a monthly way. For example, I'm moving data from this database to another database by my code. Now, how do you want to run this every month? You might want to create a Windows service from your .NET code. But I mean, a better answer or a better way would be to just design a package and add it as an agent inside your SQL Server. Not only is this easier, the management overhead will be on the database administrator instead of you.
Yeah.
So, I mean, there is a lot of things that people get confused with SSIS, but it's a great question.
Okay, somebody wants to know your email again. Let me close the survey. If anybody wants to fill up the survey, if this is the last time I should ask. Okay, close. And just to share with you the results, these are the results. So you can see that many people are interested because they are using it. And last, I would love to know the feedback about the session. So guys, please go ahead and give us the feedback about this session. This is the first time, Nabil, this is the first time I saw somebody doing double click in Visual Studio and not going into the code mode.
Well, that's the nice part about SSIS. Not too much code.
Yeah, you're telling us, okay, double click, and we are used to having double click and going into the code view, and this will be quite a thing, if you're somebody working on.
Well, yeah, I remember in your session, double click could cause a problem with you, right?
Yeah, of course, yes. Okay, so it's going well. Guys, please do provide us feedback. Around 54% of the people have done it yet. Please, others, if you are listening, please provide us feedback. I think SSIS is a really nice thing if you have, when we do the migrations and stuff from one system to another, this is where SSIS really helps. And
yeah,
you have like 4 or 5 kind of databases, and we are merging into one.
And if you're going to go into the BI world, SSIS is something that you can never, underestimate. I mean, all of your work to move your data to your cubes, to your SSIS, will be definitely through SSIS. You'll need a lot of knowledge in SSIS to be, good with BI.
Yeah, there is a question from Yahya. He says, in DTS we used to be able to move objects. How can we do it in SQL 2008?
Well, I think I'm not really following you on what you mean by objects. So if you can explain more.
Yeah, if you can, tell us what do you mean by objects. I think table is also an object.
Well, if moving a table, then yeah, for sure you can move. I mean, by the way, yeah, since you have tasks, you are free to move everything. If you're talking about moving your database structures like store procedures and functions, then yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Yes, this is what he's saying.
I mean, actually, our first example was we created the table before moving the data. So you have a script task. I mean, you can generate the script for your store procedure function or object, whatever the object is, and just add it in a SQL task. And remember also, there's a wizard for that. I mean, you can generate a script for your database and do it even as a kind of package. But I would advise just adding it as a SQL script.
So yeah, it's correct that we can move procedures and functions using SSIS. Okay, any other question? The polls are done, so let me just close it and share the feedback with you. So that's a feedback. That's great that many people liked it. It was very nice and very simple session. Even for me, there are few eye openers. So I loved it. So I hope you liked it as well. So thank you, Nabil. You have anything else to say?
Nope. Thank you, everyone, for watching.
Okay, just share us your email if you can.
Okay, It's already okay. I'll show my screen again. Is it showing?
Yes. So if anybody wants email, the email is written there, nabeeldaham@gmail.com. Okay, everybody. Thank you, Nabeel. It's time to move to the next session.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. Just don't go away, okay? Stay. Okay, so let me make presenter Mr. Adil Zubair, and let's see where he is. Hello, Adil. Are you there?
Yep, I'm there. And how are you? How are you, everyone? How are you, Jerry?
I'm fine. Everybody's fine. Nabil just did a great session. Now it's your turn.
Yeah, I was there. I was watching. I couldn't watch it from the start, however, but it sounded nice. SSIS, great topic.
Okay, so guys, again, something new. This Riyadh